Here's Mommy and one of her babies, and another baby, and another baby. Where's the other babies? They're all around us. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. Up on the boot, onto the deck. Mommy needs to get some more bites of food. Yeah. Having a little late night snack. Right, Mommy? Yeah. With your babies hanging out. Yeah. You're already getting big. Yeah. Hey, you guys, let Mommy eat her food. Look at that. They say, let's venture out in the dark to the water bowl. How about that? Here comes another. Here comes another. Wow, look at you with the big blue eyes. Right, Mommy? How'd he get those big eyes? And what's this guy doing way over here? Wow, Mommy. Everybody's hanging out in different spots. Wow, I know, that's bright light. Yeah. We need it to see you guys at night. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Yeah, let Mommy eat a little food, you guys. Mommy's such a good girl, she doesn't push them away. I know, Mommy. They're over there drinking water. Here he comes, zooming over. Good girl. Good Mommy. Doing the nighttime prowl. Everybody goes by Mommy again. There's still one little guy over there drinking too. Uh-oh, Mommy's tail. Were you attacking your mama's tail? Yeah. Oh, now this guy's gonna get it. Yeah. That's a little boy. Little girl. I believe that's the girl. The boy's by his Mommy. And here comes you. Wow, what a jumper. Wow, oi. You gonna use the rock? Okay, still rocking. Still doing the rock crawl. Yeah. All right. Yep, you're using it too. They don't have to, of course. Oh, everybody's gonna be on each side of Mommy. Yeah. What are you doing prowling around? Yeah. Right to Mommy. Yeah. Good girl. Good Mommy. Look at everybody. Just climb right on top of Mommy. There, she'll lay down for you. Whoa, what happened to my thing? The light went out. Never seen that happen before. All right, Mommy. It's awfully dark out. We'll see you later. Look at, that's how dark it really is. We can't really see Mommy. Yeah. Look at the sky though. Pretty. Okay. See everyone later. Hopefully you can get some sleep. Like Mommy. We love you.